Updating your legal name with Northwestern Mutual is an important process to ensure that your records are accurate. Follow these steps to make the update quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Make sure these documents are official and clearly show your new legal name. Step 2. Contact customer service. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Request the name change form from customer service or download it from the Northwestern Mutual website. Fill out the form accurately, ensuring that all information matches your identification documents. Step 4. Submit your documents. Send the completed name change form along with the required documents to the address provided by customer service. You may need to send these via mail or upload them through an online portal, depending on their instructions. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with Northwestern Mutual to confirm that your legal name has been updated in their system. This may take a few days, so be patient and check back if you do not receive confirmation. By following these steps, you can ensure that your legal name is updated with Northwestern Mutual efficiently. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer service for assistance.